15 years ago, I bought a used Crucial Ballistic Tracer DDR2800 4GB kit, and, lucky me, it was so error-ridden that my PC couldn't even load the OS. Naturally, the seller ghosted me, so I fell back on the only remaining option: contact Micron and check whether their lifetime warranty claim was true. Indeed it was. I sent them the damaged kit and received a new one that still works today. Since then, and for this reason, I've always installed Crucial RAM in the builds of friends, family, and in my own. In fact, my current PC uses a Crucial Ballistix Elite DDR4 3600 16GB kit as its short-term memory. One that would work perfectly, were it not for a tiny detail. Its two thermal sensors are either not present or not functioning. As can be seen, HWiNFO reports the temperature sensors as supported, and IDA64 even as present, while Thaiphoon burner doesn't acknowledge them at all. This is what it should show. But the litmus test is clearly Crucial's own utility: Memory Overview Display, or MOD. This is an old screenshot I took before formatting, to document the message that appeared on screen as soon as I clicked on the temp tab. Why don't I display it now, live? Because the vulnerability researcher Paolo Stagno, aka VoidSec, found multiple privilege escalation vulnerabilities in a driver used by Mod itself. As a consequence, Micron apparently preferred to pull the software off its website, instead of fixing it. Anyway, I digress. What's important to point out is that my kit should feature thermal sensors, but does not. All these findings were corroborated by Martin, the HWiNFO author, who kindly inspected my logs and determined there's nothing appearing on SMBus that would look like a dim TS. Meanwhile, I had already contacted Crucial support. They basically admitted that my kit was kinda problematic and offered me a replacement. Sadly, at the time, I had to decline, since I didn't have spare DDR4 modules to use, while waiting for the pristine kit to arrive. Now I have them. Well, I will, when the Crucial Ballistix Max DDR4 4000 32GB kit I've just purchased on Amazon comes back in stock. In all aspects, the Max line is the successor of the Elite one, so it's also equipped with thermal sensors, at least on paper. I hope it is really true this time around. As you may have guessed, as soon as I receive the new RAM, I will request an RMA for the old one and report back on my experience. For the moment, I have two advices for you. If you own a Ballistix Elite or any other RAM with thermal sensors, ensure that they work. If you still use the Crucial Mod utility for RGB control, uninstall and replace it without further ado. Thanks for listening and farewell for now.